Hello, y'all. Welcome to Concierto. My name's Adeline, and today I'd like to introduce a project that I've sort of abandoned over the last 2 months, but I'd like to get back into. I've started to work on designing my own pair of planar magnetic headphones. I actually had begun work on, actually building the things, but life got in the way and I couldn't anymore. So thankfully, I actually have the circuit board already. So why don't we open that up? So I have yet to see if this actually came out well, so we will see. Alright, so, oh, look at that. There's the PCBs. There are these little flexible spirals. Let's go over the design process of these a little bit. So I started off by creating a simulation of the magnetic fields inside of FEM, which is Finite Element Magnetics. It's a software for magnetics, FEA. And then I used the approximate calculations of the magnetic fields to find where I should ideally place a spiral within KiCad. After making that spiral, I then ordered the PCB on JLC PCB, and a couple weeks later, it came in. And at that point, I stopped working on the project for like 2 months. Life got in the way, what can I say? Alrighty, so now I'm gonna try soldering the headphone drivers. Over here I got my shitty soldering iron. I really need to get a new one, but this will work for now. And over here I have these crappy headphones. They're from Delta. I have no idea how I got these or where, but I don't really care. Anyways, so I'm just gonna go ahead and open these up. I can smell the soldering iron. Oh shit. Alright. We got the wire cutters over here. So I'm just gonna cut it around here. Then I'm gonna split it up. Just like so. Oh my god. Yay. Anyways, gotta make sure the ruffles stay up. I'm just gonna remove the insulation off of one of these. And alright, I see 2 wires here. I assume this like copper one is ground, and the other is the audio signal. I don't know where my multimeter is at, so I'm just gonna open both of them, and if it's the same color on each side, then it's ground. Yeah. Yep, so there's a red one here, and there's a blue one here, so that probably means this is ground. Coolio. Anyways, I'm just gonna go solder this guy. So my soldering setup here is kind of ass, so we shall see how well this goes. But we got the ESD bag with our beautiful, beautiful circuit board. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Anyways, so I don't really know how I'm gonna go about doing this. I think I'm gonna try tinning the pad a little bit. Or, hello? This thing is not screwed in, is it? Okay. There is smoke coming out. What the fuck? I may have not used this iron in months. Or really like a year. Now it's working. So I'm just gonna try heating the pad a little bit and just dabbing some solder onto it. Or completely failing at doing so. There we go. And then let's do it for the same for the other pad. Alright. This first one came out a little bad. This one's nice. But let's keep on moving. So, I'm going to use this orange as my ground. What this is most likely insulated copper wire, where by the heat of soldering will just burn off the outer layer of insulation, hopefully. And I'm gonna try tinning it. So I can't seem to just place it on the pad and get it to work. I wish I had like a pine sol. That would make life so much easier right now. Anyways, I'm just gonna try to... Oh my god, that's a horrible... Oh, that's horrible. I would get fired from NASA if I did this work. Dios mío, wey, qué malísimo está este mierda. This is a horrible soldering job. Like, straight ass. Like, embarrassingly bad. But I kind of just want to see if this works. I don't really care. So right now, let's see if I can solder the other wire on. Alright. Is that good enough? I hope. I hope that's good enough. I hope. Shit. Okay, well, as it turns out, I do have a multimeter. A shitty one, of course, but a multimeter nonetheless. So, let's test continuity. I'm pretty sure the tip is ground, if I remember correctly. Okay. Oh, it fell off. L plus ratio. Okay, well, it's good to know that the circuit itself, at least, has a whole thing going on. Alright, I'm going to have to figure out a better solution in the future for soldering this shit. But for now, the jank way it is. Hold on. There we go. Just have to flip that over a little bit. I'm thinking maybe to make this easier to solder, I could try adding stiffener around the edge. And also, I'm gonna try seeing if I can burn off the insulation like here when it's not on the thing. Might be burning the table, but if it works, it works. Oh, hold on, I think it's working. Holy shit, wait a minute. Oh my god, my horrible idea is working. Wait. Hold on a second. This is incredibly jank and really bad looking. However, if it works, oh my god. Did it solder? Did it solder? Let's... It's soldered! Let's go! Oh my god, I can't believe that worked. This is horrible. Don't ever do this. Don't ever solder it like this. This is a very bad job. I don't like it. But it works. So we will go with this for now. I'm just trying to see if I can get what I have working so that I can actually iterate on this, because there's already some things I'm not too happy about. You'll see in a little bit. You'll see. Alrighty, so here is the God damn, that went flying. Here is the first iteration. Oh shit! The first iteration of the actual magnet assembly for the headphones. Why do the magnets keep fucking flying? Dios mío! Okay, please stay in place. Okay, so this is the first iteration of the magnet assembly for the actual headphones. There's some issues with this design. as you can see, it is not very easy to put the magnets in. Also, neodymium magnets are quite strong, maybe too strong. So I might have to change that. However, let's try and see if we can just get this working. Right here I have my old phone. We have a pretty good song on. Let's see. So I'm just gonna alright. Holy shit! It fucking works! It works! Oh my god! Wait! I'm gonna hold it up to the microphone. Oh shit! Oh shit! It just disassembled itself, but it fucking works! It works! Oh my god! It works! Oh my god! Ah! Oh my god! That's actually so fucking cool! It works! It works! It's jank, but it fucking works! Oh my god! It's so cool! It's so cool! Oh my god! Look. Okay. If it will stop disassembling for a second, although I think I could just put it upside down. It literally gets louder as I put it closer. I'm gonna bring the microphone into frame over here. Look. I broke my fucking tripod. Anyways. Oh god. Alrighty, so I've moved the camera, right? And it fucking works. Now what's interesting is the audio quality. It sounds way better than I thought. Like just fucking putting a spiral on a PCB would sound like. And like you can feel it vibrating. It's too late for apologies. This shit is actually so awesome. It just works. They're headphones. I can't get enough of this. Alright, so let's do a little conclusion here. So for the next iteration of this, I'm not really interested in changing the PCB at all. I just want to change how the magnets are mounted, because right now it is very annoying. If I well shit, more went flying. I just kind of have a stack of magnets here and I just put it in manually, but they fly out all the time. So I'm going to see if I can design it somehow so that it can be placed while it's being printed. I also need to add a just better mounting mechanism for the PCB so it can be kept stretched over top of the magnets. So yeah, that is the current state of, I guess, what I'm going to call Melodias. And thanks for watching.